In order to activate the parking brake option for this car, come towards your right side. Right here you would see a parking button. All you have to do is just lift up that parking button upside. You will hear a background sound coming out, and on the screen you will see the parking sign activated. In case if you want to disconnect the parking brake while the car is turned on, for that we will have to come down right there. Press and hold the brake pedal just like that. Then again come back to that switch right here. This time we will press it downwards. You will again hear a background sound coming out, and right there you will see the parking sign is not visible anymore. Now suppose the car is turned off and you still want to activate the parking brake. We again come back to that switch one more time, then lift it upside. Once again you will hear the background sound, and on the screen is the parking sign activated. But suppose if you want to turn off the parking brake while the car is turned off, the bad news is you cannot do that. You would have to turn on the vehicle in order to release the parking brake option. Like in this case, if I come down right there, press and hold that brake pedal one more time, then come back to that switch. We will press the button down. You will still not be able to get rid of that parking brake option, and also on the screen the parking sign is still there. So you have to turn on the vehicle in order to release the parking brake option. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.